Just like your body needs exercise to keep fit, your fingers also need exercise regularly to stay agile. Now, if you want to be able to play fast, if you want to be able to play cleaner notes, play with more control, then finger exercises is a must. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful finger exercises that will help you build speed, accuracy, and stamina. So what I want you to do is to stay to the end of this video, because number 3 is the most powerful point. So I don't want you to miss out on it. Let's get started. So the first exercise goes like this. All you have to do is to come to this first fret on your 6th string, and we all know our label in 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to place your index finger here. So this first exercise, to help you build speed, all you will do is to play in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4. You pick your notes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Then you repeat the same thing going down. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 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 we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. When you are done, you now repeat the same thing up again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So altogether, it sounds something like this. Da, 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 da. The key to practicing this thing is to get it very slow first. Play it as slow as possible and ensure that you have gotten a pace and you can play comfortably. Very slow first. Then over time, you notice that your speed begins to increase. That's not all. Another thing you can do is to change the order of this note. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can do 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do this on this string, then go to the next string. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next string, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you do this, you notice that your fingers are becoming more flexible and speed comes. So another tip I can give you is to change or create an order for yourself. So you can decide to do 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, anything that works for you. So that's the first exercise. The second one is even more interesting. Let me show you. It is a very, very simple thing that you guys use. It's the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So all I want you to do is to play your major scale. We're in the key of C. Play the C major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then move to 1 fret. So this is more of like a chromatic exercise. Chromatic meaning we are moving note to note to note to note. So what I'm doing, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then I move to C sharp. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then I move to C sharp. Do, re. So let me go over it again. I will start from my C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then I move to C sharp. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then I move to D, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then I move to D sharp. Then I move to E. So the more you do this, your fingers get used to playing in a certain way and you build muscle memory. The reason why this exercise is important is because it teaches your fingers to get used to different positions, so that if you are playing your major scale in a different key or a different shape, it's easy for your fingers to build flexibility around those shapes. So ensure you practice it very, very slowly. And then the last exercise. So you notice that sometimes when you are playing, some of your fingers don't cooperate with you, right? It's because some of them are naturally stronger than the others. So the essence of this exercise is for each of those weak fingers to become stronger and to have stamina, so that whenever you are playing in any position, or no matter how fast you are playing, you are going to maintain speed, you are going to maintain fluency, accuracy, and that stamina. All right, so let's get to it. You'll notice that some of your fingers are not as strong as the others. Like your index finger is strong, your middle finger is strong, sometimes your ring finger and your little finger, they are kind of shaky. So this particular exercise will help you to build strength for these other ones. So it goes like this. You come to the first fret on your 6th string. So this is what you do. You play 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. Did you hear that? 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. right? So let me take it again. 1 3 4 1 2 4 1 3 4 1 2 4. So what you can do, instead of staying in one position, you can move down this way. So let's try 1 3 4 1 2 4. Then we'll move 1 fret again, second fret. 1 3 4 1 2 4. Then we'll move 1 fret again. 1 3 4 1 2 4. Then you descend again. Right? Now the key to getting this thing is to get it as slow as possible. Don't play it fast, because if you play it fast, you might not get it accurately. And one of the ways you can practice with this is with using your metronome. So just put on your metronome, and as it gives you the count, 2 3 4, dan 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 dan, right? So instead of practicing without timing, practice with timing. So I'll have something like 1 2 3 dun 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 dun. Yeah, and those are the exercises. So if you want to build speed, flexibility, and stamina, these particular exercises will help you to be a better guitarist. And then another thing you can do is to play alternate picking. Instead of playing down 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 down, just play using your alternate pick: down up down up down up. So each note you play down for the first one, you play up for the second one. If you don't know how to play alternate picking, I'm going to attach a video that will show you how to do that. So all together, let's recap. The first exercise is your 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, right? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Or you can change the order. Second exercise is your major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then we went one step forward. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then we went forward again. Then went forward. You notice that your fingers are more flexible than they used to be. And then the last one, like I said, is to help build flexibility among these fingers, because some of them are weak. So I'm going 1 3 4 1 2 4 1 3 4 1 2 4. Or you can do 1 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 3 4 1 2 3 4. So just come up with any order that works for you. You'll notice that your playing is better off. So if you want to learn more guitar exercises or techniques that will help you build your speed, accuracy, change chords faster and everything, I have other videos. I'm going to link a playlist to this just in case you are starting your journey as a beginner. I have a beginner guitar course that will help you on your journey, and I'm working on my intermediate guitar course, and I'll post links so that you can pre-order. And if this is your first time coming around, ensure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.